Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Hotel Milagro. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are free parking, pet-friendly, free Wi-Fi, family rooms, non-smoking rooms and a tea, coffee maker in all rooms. Hotel Milagro located in Chula Vista, this motel is only a 15-minute drive to the international border and Tijuana, BC. The motel offers a 24-hour front desk, wake-up call services and on-site laundry facilities. Guest rooms at Hotel Milagro are air-conditioned and have private bathrooms. A cable TV and a work desk are also provided. Southwestern College is a 15-minute drive away from this motel. Westfield Plaza Bonita shopping center is a 5-minute drive from Hotel Milagro. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.